Hey there, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video lineup for you. We are going to dive into the top 5 code editors for web development in 2023. So whether you are an expert coder or just starting your journey, this video is for you. Let's get started. Let me tell one thing, this list is made by me, so maybe your choice will be different. Please tell me your favorite code editor in the comment section. And if you think I can deserve, then please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Kicking off our list is an all-time favorite and one that has been dominating the web development world for quite some time now. It's none other than Visual Studio Code, commonly known as VS Code. This free open source code editor by Microsoft has owned the heart of millions with its powerful features and robust ecosystem of extension. From advanced language support to debugging tools and Git integration, VS Code has got covered. There are various features of Visual Studio Code such as intelligence, live server, terminal integration, and extension. Next up, we have a lightweight but highly customizable code editor, Sublime Text 4 or 3. With its snappy performance and minimalistic design, Sublime Text has been a favorite among developers who prefer simplicity and speed. The latest version brings in new features, making it even more compelling for web developer. I listed it number 2 because Sublime Text speed, multiple selection, command plate, and customizability. If you are looking for a code editor especially tailored for web development, WebStorm might be the perfect fit for you. WebStorm is known for its intelligent code completion, powerful refactoring tools, and deep migration with popular frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js. Our next contender is Atom, another fantastic open source code editor that continues to gain popularity among web developers. With a clean and user-friendly interface, Atom offers a great balance performance and customization. You can enhance its functionality with a vast collection of community-built packages. Last but not least, we have Bucket, a lightweight and open source code editor focused on web design and development. Bucket is unique for its inline editing features where you can edit CSS and HTML code right within the preview. It's a delight tool for front-end developer and designer. There you have it, our top 5 code editors for web development in 2023. Each of these editors offers something unique, catering to different preferences and coding styles. Whether you are a fan of feature-packed powerhouses like Visual Studio Code and WebStorm or prefer the lightweight code editor of like Sublime Text, Atom, or Brackets, the choice is yours. Before we wrap up, don't forget to let us know in the comment which code editors you love using the most and why. If you found this video interesting, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Thank you so much for watching and happy coding. See you in the next video.